What is happening with Bitcoin, guys? Yesterday, we have seen that candle wick to the downside up to $89,200, and majority of the long positions were liquidated. In fact, almost 80% or 71% of Bitcoin long positions has been liquidated in the past 24 hours. Almost $538 million has been liquidated, guys. Long positions. But right now, Bitcoin is pumping back to the previous price. What is happening with Bitcoin? If you're interested to know where the Bitcoin's price is heading in the coming days and in the immediate short term, watch this video and make sure to pump that like, guys. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. And yesterday, if you have watched my video, guys, I have explained this move, exactly this move, that confirmation is very, very important. So I'm going to explain that in today's video. But before that, all charts and TA are for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So today is January 14, 2025. It's Tuesday, and Bitcoin is pumping back up to the previous zone, guys, retesting this very important resistance level, which I have discussed on my previous video. So let's go check out the prices of Bitcoin and majority of the altcoins, and we'll talk about TA. We'll talk about some of my trades. Did I took profit on my Bitcoin short? So if you are following me on my X account, you know I've shared that I am shorting Bitcoin. So I'm going to update you with that trade. And of course, if you are in Discord, you already know the answer, guys. So Bitcoin is back to 94, almost 95,000 at the time of recording, guys. And Ethereum is still down by 14% in the past 7 days, while XRP is gaining momentum. It is up by 5.19% in the past 7 days. So I am still bullish on Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, ETC, I think Ethereum, in my opinion, is going to lead the alt season. Just in case we get an alt season, I think Ethereum is going to lead that alt season. And of course, if Ethereum is going to pump, Ethereum Classic is going to follow. And also, I'm watching HBAR, SUI, Render is also top of my list, on the top of my list. So these are some of the altcoins that I am bullish on the immediate short term. So let's go check out the Bitcoin's chart, guys. So going back to the chart, yesterday, if you have watched my analysis, congratulations, because I have mentioned that daily candle close is very, very important, guys. So right now, Bitcoin is back to this same level, guys. Bitcoin is back to the consolidation zone. And we have, in fact, a bullish divergence. So it seems that we are getting a short-term reversal here, but the oscillator is still trading below zero, guys, which means that we still don't have that momentum to push the price higher. So this is the same level that Bitcoin needs to break, guys. 96,000 level is the level that Bitcoin needs to reclaim. Look at this. Several times Bitcoin tried to break this level, but it is getting rejected every time the price reaches this level. So right now on the 4-hour time frame, the price is hovering on that oversold area, while on the daily time frame, we have that bullish divergence. So probably Bitcoin. So this is the confirmation that we need to keep an eye on today, guys. Daily candle close, trading above $96,000. That will be our first confirmation that that trend could probably continue going to the upside. But again, if the daily candle closes below the neckline, guys, below this $92,000, that will be our first confirmation that the price could probably go lower. So right now we are still on the same level, guys. Bitcoin is just doing this random price action to liquidate. Again, market makers, in my opinion, are just playing with the liquidity, guys. So if there is liquidity around 96,000 level, so probably the price will go up and then probably drop back down to liquidate majority of the short position or long positions on that area. I think it's if you know how to use Bookmap, you'll be able to see the liquidity levels there. You will see the positions waiting on certain levels. On my next video, I'm going to share with you how to use Bookmap and on how to spot that liquidity levels. So on the immediate short term, Bitcoin is looking bullish, guys. We are still on this short term uptrend. But again, this is the level that Bitcoin needs to break. So for me, my opinion, I would wait for a confirmation before opening my next trade, guys. But looking at the daily time frame, we have this 96,000 level that Bitcoin needs to break in order for Bitcoin to flip bullish, and same level of invalidation at around 102,000 level that will invalidate this head and shoulders pattern. And if you're going to look at this, guys, we have a beautiful support trend line on the daily time frame. In my opinion, Bitcoin would probably revisit this support level, guys, at around 75 up to $77,000 in the future. And as what you can see, this is in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. So going back to CoinGlass, guys, in the past 24 hours, 71.69% of long positions has been liquidated. And right now we are seeing a reversal. So probably tomorrow you will see that majority of the short positions has been liquidated in the market, guys. And going back to my Bitcoin trade, I have shared this trade yesterday on my X account, guys. And majority are asking if I am still holding this trade. If you are, in our Discord community, I have shared this exact trade, guys. The same trade I have shared in the community, the moment of truth. So I'm still holding my short position here. And yesterday, I was able to take profit. So this was yesterday, guys. We can start taking profit here exactly at 89,256 and move stop loss back to entry. That way we can secure the trade 100%. And also, if you are in our Discord, I have also shared two short-term trades, guys, SUI and ENA. So for SUI, I have shared this exact trade. The moment I entered the trade, I've shared it in our Discord community. So when the price was hovering near that support trend line, we have this ascending parallel channel for SUI. And yesterday I saw the price was hovering on the support trend line. That is why I took a long position. And today we are up by 53% using 10x leverage. And I was able to take profit in this one. I have moved my stop loss back to entry. Let's see how it goes. Right now, the trade is still up, and the price is retesting this EMA, guys. All right. So let me take profit right now on this trade. Probably let's take 50%. All right. So 50%, I'm just going to continue to hold the remaining 50%. Let's see if the price would continue to regain this support, guys. This is a moving average 25 MA. So let's see how it goes. And of course, if you want to be part of our Discord community, head on to Patreon. I'll add the link in the description down below. So the reason why I took profit on my SUI trade is because on the daily time frame, we have this huge bearish divergence using Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. This is one of the best paid indicator in the market, in my opinion. So if you want to try it out, the link is on the description down below. You can get up to 50% discount. While on the 4-hour time frame, we have this bullish divergence, guys. The price is forming lower lows while the oscillator fails to make new low. So right now the price is on this resistance level, guys. As what you can see, we have pivot points there. There are a lot of selling pressure at around 4.8 up to 4.7 area. So that is very important level that Sui needs to regain, guys. If Sui will be able to regain that level, then I will be looking at a possible retest of the higher resistance level at around $6.2, which is going to be the next all-time high for Sui. And also, if you are following me on my X account, I've shared several charts on the past days, guys, and Avax is one of them. Yesterday, Avax dropped to the buy zone at around $33, $33.9, and right now we are up from that buy zone. Let's see how many percent. We are up by 5% from that buy zone. So in the immediate short term, this previous support will now act as a resistance for AVAX, guys. So this is going to be around 36 up to $37. This is going to act as a immediate resistance for AVAX. And before we end this video, let's talk about Ethereum, guys. I think Rashad is asking for Ethereum in the comment section. So Ethereum, guys, is still trading inside this symmetrical triangle pattern. And this is the important level that Ethereum needs to hold, guys. This 2,894 up to $2,970. This support needs to hold, guys. This is the middle zone. These are the pivot points for Ethereum, guys. So if this level fails to hold, then probably the price would drop back to the previous support trend line. But so far, Ethereum is managing to hold this support level. Same trade setup for Ethereum, guys. I still got my eyes on that 4,700 up to $4,900 target for long term for Ethereum. And again, I'm going to repeat, I think, in my opinion, Ethereum is going to lead this alt season, guys. In case we get one, Ethereum is one of the top altcoins that will lead the alt season. So same trade setup that I will be looking at for Ethereum, guys. Nothing's changed. The price got rejected from the resistance trend line. We got a fake out. So I went on long last time. Short term, when Ethereum retested the previous resistance trend line, but it fails to hold. Right now, we are back inside this symmetrical triangle pattern, and the price is still hovering on that previous buy zone. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, all charts on CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Don't forget to smash that like button. Let YouTube know that this video is important, guys. So subscribe to the channel if you are new. Click that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on my latest trades and analysis. And I'll see you guys on the next one.